How to recover unsaved Word files. So the method 1, guys, we are going to open the Word, and here we are going, let's suppose that we are doing a blank document, and here we are going on File. Then you are going to look for the info. Click on info and then manage documents. Click on it, and then right here, recover unsaved documents. So in this path right here, in this folder right here, you're gonna copy the link. Then you are going to open the File Explorer. You're going to click right here and go on paste. If you have a deleted Word document, it will be right here. Ensure that the AutoRecover is actually enabled in the Word settings to avoid future losses. To do this, we are going on File. We are going on Options down below, and then we are going on Save. We are going to look for an option called Autosave Store and Cloud by default and Save to Computer by default. Also, you have to look for this option, Save AutoRecover information in every X minutes. You can put the minutes that you want. I personally would like to do it in 5 and press OK. So this was the first method. If it helped you, please leave a comment below. Say it helped you. If not, say a comment as well. And let's go to the second method. Searching for temporary files on your computer. If AutoRecover doesn't resolve the issue, the system temporary files may be your next best hope. So those files are created by operating system while Word is opened and perhaps contain versions of your lost document. So how to find the temporary files? So you have to open the File Explorer. In the search bar, we are going to look for .tmp. That is the extension for temporary files. Wait a little bit. Then you're going to have to see if in this folder will be some documents in Word that you lost it. Another thing that you can do to make it more refined in your search is change the .tmp to .docx. And here you are going to see all the documents in Word that you have. If it's not renamed like some of these around here, you can just open and check. Note that this method is most effective if it's used immediately after the incident, before restarting the computer, as temporary files may be automatically deleted. So the next method, guys, is the method number 3, and we are using data recovery software. If the previous method failed, specialized data recovery tools can help. So programs like Recover and EasyUs Data Recovery are known for locating lost and deleted files, even if we are in complex situations. So how to use recovery softwares? You have to download it, of course, and install in a reliable recovery tool. Then we are going to run the program. I have the Recover right here. Here on Recover, it asks what sort of files are you trying to recover. Right now I'm trying to find the documents, so I'm going to put the documents. Click on next. What are the files? If you have some clue on what it is, you have to click on it, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to choose the I'm not sure option, click next, and then you have two options. You have the option to just click and start, and you do was very fast scan, and you can do as well the enable deep scan. I always recommend the enable deep scan. I'm going to do without the enable deep scan because it's just a video. I didn't lose anything. Then you do the calculations and the scanning. I have a drive, so it do take a little bit of time. Perhaps not so much because I put in another method, so it'll be a little bit easier. When it's finished, that was the method number 3, guys. Some software offers free versions with limitations, of course, and if the lost document is extremely important, consider investing in a paid version to increase your chance to recover. Okay, we are going, guys, on the method number 4, that is restoring a previous version of the file. Windows has a built-in feature called file history, which can save previous versions of documents if the failure feature is enabled in the system. So that is the step-by-step instructions. So navigate the folder where the file should have been saved. If you guys have clue on it, of course. Right click on the folder, select restore previous versions. Now if this here show, it seems that I don't have previous versions available, and for me that is over in this method, but for you it can have. If it has some version around here, you have to click it and restore. Guys, the method number 5, it's a little bit complicated because not even everybody uses the OneDrive or the cloud service. If you guys use the OneDrive, it has a minimal chance that the OneDrive save your documents. So I don't use the OneDrive here, so you have to do it on yourself. You have to go on your OneDrive account and see if it has uploaded there. Okay. Well, guys, this was the video. I hope this video helped you. I brought a lot of solutions for you guys, and I hope you guys have solved your problem. If did, please leave a comment below, leave a like. There will be a way to leave a tip in the description if you guys uh, wants to help us to bring more videos for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.